Hello everybody, Roadhog here, coming at you with a series craftsman double insulated drill. So guys and gals, you might be able to see a little bit of what ignore the already done long duration, and I just wanted to come and tell you that how I said what I was just tearing down. It is 4:20 in the morning like this here, is really worth sleep. So taking apart, I figured not just tear something down and bring you all a video here in just a second. And for the other 84% of you now, I pulled the 7 screws out of this one, are watching and the same thing, aren't subscribed. If you would help with subscribing to my channel, that would help me out. Great casing, yes, it probably weighs and 1.5 pounds, 2 pounds itself. But I'll let you go and get back to the scheduled program. Here I got going. We have a switch where my thumb is and my crevice of my hand. Then we got some heavy metal there. And we got a copper bearing motor. Plus, if I take just this part off, I can take these windings off and get number 1 for it, I'm pretty sure. And then for this part of it, which there's still gonna be copper in this, so what I can do with this is just take it and sell it as a motor, and I don't have to worry about trying to process them, because let me tell you, the glue that they got on them, it's a pain in the butt to deal with, and I'd just rather throw that part into my electric motors and get motor weight for it, even though it's only maybe 1/2 pound to 1 pound. It's still 25 cents, so it's fine with me to throw it in the motor. And if you like this kind of stuff and you want to see more of it, just like, share, and subscribe, and I'll be back with you with another episode very soon. So stay tuned and keep watching, and everyone have a blessed day.